Last gamer standing. Mysterious new gamer, the Runar, is turning heads in the 2067 Junior Dayhold Tournament. Looking at the Runar's teenage male avatar, no one would ever guess that the person behind this virtual reality star is Reina Ching, a 12-year-old who's got a scholarship to attend the prestigious Dayhold Academy summer camp. Winning the tournament can rocket young players to esports stardom, but for Reina, the stakes are even higher. If she's eliminated, she's promised her struggling immigrant parents that she'll give up her dreams of gaming forever. Winning the prize money would not only prove she has what it takes to be a pro player, it would also pay for her mother's cancer treatments. Does Reina have the physical, mental, and emotional endurance to keep her identity a secret and become the next champion? Reina will have to confront the toxic gaming community head-on. With her dreams and the cash prize on the line, it's game on.